Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Kia Soul battery. First, let's prepare for the task. Before you begin, make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is set. It's also crucial to gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, and to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from potential hazards. Safety is always our top priority. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Always start with the negative terminal, which is usually marked with a minus sign. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the negative cable and tuck it away from the battery. Next, repeat this process for the positive terminal, ensuring both cables are completely disconnected before moving on. With the cables disconnected, it's time to remove the old battery. First, you'll need to unfasten the battery hold-down clamp, often requiring a 12mm socket. Once the clamp is loose, carefully lift the old battery out of its tray. Be aware that car batteries can weigh between 30 to 50 pounds, so lift with your legs. Then, gently place your new battery into the tray, ensuring it's oriented correctly. To complete the installation, we'll connect the new battery. Start by attaching the positive cable to the positive terminal, tightening it firmly with your 10mm wrench. Next, connect the negative cable to the negative terminal and secure it. Finally, apply a small amount of dielectric grease to both terminals. This helps prevent corrosion and ensures a reliable connection for your Kia Soul.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.